Hi guys, Anthony here. I've just posted a Bitcoin trade signal. This is a real-time signal into my Telegram group. We had this breakout signal down here. I'll go to the charts and I'll show you what we've got. Take profit now. Let me just tell everybody, close 80% now. I'll just take a snapshot and get that in there. Cancel, copied, back to Telegram, close 80% now. Real-time signals, guys, join me. Click the link below. I'm going to take 80% and I'll show you my strategy. Close position, partial close, we'll go 0.8, money in the bank. Okay, money in the bank. We've got $79.96, so we've got $80 in the bag. I'm building this account. We started with $10,000 and I'm showing my members how to grow their crypto account. So then what we do now is I'm going to put my stop loss down, $7.20 loss, and I'm 90 whatever it is dollars ahead. So I mean, with that much profit, pull it up to this level here, and I'm $30 down. So you know, $30 down here if this stop loss gets taken out. All right, so we've got $80 less if that gets taken out, 30, righto, 50. So I'm $50 ahead. This is a winning trade by $50. So let me just show you how this works. By the way, I'll explain how I'm trading it, what the strategy is. We have our indicators. I'm going to go out of here and give you a bit of a perspective. So we have multiple charts. I've actually posted a new video today onto my channel on getting set up with the indicators. Here's how we trade this. I see a signal like oh, look at that. See that wick up? Okay, stop loss was taken out. This is market manipulation at its best. Big players are in here taking everybody for a ride, but we make money. All right, so let's just have a look at the result. Oh, I actually closed in profit. Okay, 80. I've made $90 out of this trade. Let me just post this into my group. Look at that, market manipulation. We closed in time. This is going to be probably one of the most important videos you could watch, guys. I'm serious. Let me just get this into my group, and then I'm going to show you how this works. That's a stop run. So you could probably short this. We beat smart money. All right, so this is my Telegram channel. So back to the chart. That's tough for a lot of traders. You know, I mean, people can see that this is trading down and they're piling in here. There's so much liquidity above this. Smart money dived right in there and took them out. Now, if they've done that, I'm thinking that this is going to roll over because they need liquidity to go in the direction they need to go. So this is a stop run to take out stop losses. Can it roll over and head north? Yes, it can. Most cases it's going to continue down. Generally there'll be a stop run in the opposite direction that they're wanting to take the market. In any case, how do we survive this volatility? Well, I've got a very simple answer, and it's our trading system, our indicators. This trade, I got the signal here, the breakout. I mean, I could see instantly on the higher time frame. I mean, look, it's absolutely overextended, but see how it pulled back into the mean here? All right, on the 15-minute chart. Let's show you this. By the way, do we have? No, we don't. Okay. Actually, let me just see if I can. I've taken them out. Okay. Have a look at this. On the 15-minute chart, that's our signal right here. This arrow, this down arrow, is telling us that we've got a breakout. Okay, we've broken this low through here. Like by the time that signal fires, it's well and truly established in most cases. We can go back and I can guarantee you we've got an 8 out of 10, about an 80% on average win rate with these trades, and we can have a quick look. See what we've got here is we've got this, and then we've got this trade back into the mean. I mean, I should short this right now, and I think we'll find out that could roll over. In any case, what I'm going to do is show you how to take advantage of this market, how to trade the volatility. I mean, there's a couple of things about this trade. Okay, I've got these light shaded areas. Let me explain what that is. And I'll share with you the strategy here, and then we'll go back and have a quick look and see how this has panned out over 10 trades quickly. This is a 1 minute chart, and it gets us into our trades early. Shout out to Oscar, one of my members. Thanks, Oscar. Oscar sent in his he's trading one of the exchanges, and he's had some great success with the 1 minute chart. Didn't have such a good run with the 3 minute, a much better run with the 1 minute. And I compared the 1 minute to the 3 minute today after receiving his email, and I'm leaning more towards the 1 minute. The 1 minute is basically to get you in early. Bottom line, this is happening on all time frames, but the signals fire early on the 1 minute. Look at the volatility, and we get into these opportunities early. Look at this here. This is a long. Look at that. Give that a thumbs up. All right, there's your signal. You may have caught it, but we're looking for the pullback into the mean. That's your long, and then you trade that. Okay, here we had the signal. It fired. There they are. This is the alerts log. 1 minute chart. Bitcoin. It's the last signal. That's what I took. The signal fires to tell us. See the breakout? The breakout of this range here? That's what it's giving me. So what I'm looking for is the pullback into the mean. As you saw what I did, this is a short, so I'm going to short it when it pulls back up into this mean, into this median here. That's my short. Generally, I'm looking to take profit. See down the bottom here, we've got the ATR, average true range. I'm going to look for the 1 times the average true range, and I'm going to look to take 80% generally. This wicked down a bit further, and I got a bit more out of it. Here's how we set this trade. I'll grab the short tool. Signal fires, pulls back, short position, right? We short it there. Stop loss goes above our cloud, and I go 1 to 2 approximately. 1 to 2 risk reward minimum. If my 80% isn't reached, I'll leave that in, and it turns into a longer trade, a day trade or an intraday trade, and that's my trade. Generally, I'm going to look at the high time frame and confirm that a short is what I want to take on an intraday, and then I'll jump in here. So we do a little bit more analysis, but you can trade these purely off these signals. In fact, I've gone back 10 already today, and we got an 8 out of 10 win rate with this, and the trading purely off the signals with no technical analysis whatsoever, just running a strategy. All right, stop loss, target. So first target is 1 times the ATR. We take 80%. Once we've taken 80%, we pull our stop loss down, and we can trail. In this case tonight, I pulled it down about halfway. The halfway through this cloud, you can see we've got red dots here and red dots here. That's in profit, and I think that's right, I showed you in the beginning of the video. Okay, so we're well and truly in profit. Oh no, I'm sorry. That's right, that's where I left the stop loss. In any case, then we look to trail it, and then we follow the stop loss. And I'll show you a couple of examples as we go back. If this continues down, well, we just basically, we just follow these things here. We trail them. So 1 thumbs up here, thumbs up here. Just go back. I'll mark them out. Look at this one. Seriously, depending on how well you read that, the pullback didn't actually occur until here. This is the pullback into the mean that we're looking for. All of these indicators that we have here are based on the average true range. Everything you see is calculated with variations of the average true range. To me, this is one of the if not the best indicator you can possibly have on your chart, hands down. If I could only ever have one indicator on my chart, that's my choice. Absolutely, without question. I think that's 3, isn't it? This one here was actually a winning trade. I had a look at this, and we run with the strategy. There's the signal. It's telling us it's broken out, so we've got to break out. We're looking for the pullback into the mean, and I'm going for 80% at 1 times the ATR. Winning trade. Money in the bank. I don't know, that might be trade 4. Look at this one. Seriously, guys. Look, I won't go back 10 because it's time consuming, but you can see where I'm going with this, and the quality of these signals already. I think you get the picture. Anyway, I don't need to carry on. I want you to head over to my website. Here it is. It's tradingwithanthony.com. At the moment, I'm wanting to build my business. I've only got a small YouTube account. It's tiny. Help me grow. and this is a promotional discount to basically just kind of help get my channel and everything off the ground. But here's the thing, I mean, you get all this, you gain all this value, give it a shot for 7 days. For whatever reason, this absolutely applies. So give yourself the opportunity to find out how this could change your life. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, be careful. I mean, there is a way to navigate the volatility of this crazy crypto space, and we're doing it in a big way. All right, take care. I look forward to seeing you in Telegram. Have a great day. Bye-bye.